All that snow could cause problems for tomorrow morning's commute. KREM 2's Kyle Simchuk spoke to WSDOT to see what their plan is to keep the roads clear and open. Kyle?
Well, yeah, Mark, WSDOT says these storms are like Super Bowls for their drivers. They take a lot of pride in their job and keeping roads safe. And pretty soon, within just a few hours, those plows will be on roads 24 hours a day.
We're just hours away from what's expected to be the largest snow event so far this season. Spokane City, County, and state plow crews say they're ready for whatever Mother Nature puts down.
Tonight, when the snow does start to fall, we're all ready to go.
Ryan Overton with the Washington Department of Transportation says snowplows were tucked in this afternoon and crews spent the day performing preventative maintenance. WSDOT is expecting to call in additional drivers.
For those that are technically on their day off, as long as they've had 12 hours rest, they are able to come in. So they'll work 12 hours on, 12 hours off, and they will kind of hot seat the trucks. So they will keep it warm. Next person hops in as the other person hops out. So that way we have coverage on the roads pretty much 24/7.
WSDOT is asking drivers to limit or avoid travel altogether, especially over the mountain passes. If you do have to leave home, make sure you're prepared.
Even a cell phone charger, having that in your vehicle is probably pretty critical. If you were to get trapped, having the ability to be able to make a phone call, enough gas is probably the second thing that I would tell drivers. We saw that last weekend near the Vantage Bridge, where we had semi trucks get stuck and block the roadway, not allowing people to pass. Having enough gas in your vehicle is pretty critical.
And Mark, the city of Spokane says its drivers are also ready for this storm. Today, satellite locations throughout the city were topped off with supplies, so that means that trucks won't have to drive far to refill with de-icer, sand, and other materials. Mark?